Okay, guys, this is Brit, this is Antonia, and this is Federica. Hi. Anyway, we were doing slime and we were recording and we lost everything because actually we weren't recording, so we did like free slime.
We made slime and we wanted to make a whole video of us making slime.
Because it's fun.
Because it's fun and we've never done it. But it didn't work.
It's a poo.
And we did all the ASMR and all the close-ups and we weren't filming.
But you're lucky because we tried the last one. We were like, we were just, I don't know why, we stopped to watch the video a little bit because we have to wait 10 minutes to do the slide. And this is it. We saw that we were recording. Now we are recording.
So this is what we were doing. This is from Flying Tiger Copenhagen. And it's a set to make slime. So inside were these 4 cups. And in each cup there was a little bag like this. And it had powder in with different color powders. So we put the powder into the cup. And then we put some water in. Not halfway, but like up to there with the water. And then we had to shake for 30 seconds, which is what we've just done with the grey one. And then you have to take the lid off and wait 10 minutes. And after that we'll show you, because now we are filming and we can show you the next step.
Oh, I want to cry. Anyway,
these are the slimes we've made. This is the pink one.
Yay. All glitter and little hearts.
Glittery.
That it's kind of, I don't know, it doesn't stick.
No.
This thing doesn't. It's too watery.
Yeah.
I have glitter all over my hand.
Because with the blue, this blue one and the pink one, we tried to leave the lid on. Because
I don't know if you guys have ever read the instruction, but we do. And
no, not a white carpet. No, it's not white carpet.
It's not your carpet.
Okay.
Anyway, I was saying, and these are the instruction, and
yeah.
I mean, step 6. It's kind of particular.
Yeah, it's not very clear. Can you see? It's like 10 minutes with the lid on or with the lid off. We don't know. So we tried both of them, and this one, the green one that we did without, is not as wet as the other ones. So that's how we're gonna do the grey one. So
how many minutes have?
How many minutes have it been? We need 6 minutes left.
Okay. And we were also counting in Italian, so I'm sorry guys, you missed a lesson,
yes.
An Italian lesson.
An Italian lesson.
Ooh, ooh. I don't know if this thing has to pop.
Yeah, I've heard some of them, they like crackle when you mix them.
This is, it feels like, I mean, I think that if Venom was a slime, you will feel, you will feel him like this, like Venom.
Makes sense.
Slime that eats people, chop head off.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Okay.
Glitter. And these are the things we have to put inside. So we've got these little hearts, which are very sparkly and pretty. And some glitter.
And now
And now we're changing the camera.
Now we change the camera.
And in the green one, I put, if it comes out, it's taking the shape of the pot. I put some pink and white pearls, which are very pretty. It's so weird. Oh, one of the pearls came out. I thought they were supposed to like stay inside. So next time we're going to actually try and make the slime from scratch. So like with, I think it's cornstarch, I'm not sure what people use. I didn't have the passion when it was the time.
Baking soda. They use baking soda everywhere in America. I mean,
You're right.
like every recipe, baking soda. Baking soda. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Which is just lievito for us, basically.
Yeah, baking soda.
Yeah.
I use it to wash my clothes
Yeah.
and wash everything in my house. Like everything, the fridge, I use baking soda.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Why?
because
Because
it cleans.
cleans.
Yeah, and it cleans really well, and it's not chemical. I mean,
Yeah, you're right. It's not chemical.
Here we go again. I feel the cake. Okay, here you can see Antonia just kind of dirtied.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Da da da.
Yes, I got green slime on the carpet. Never mind. Doesn't matter. It's fine.
How many minutes left?
How many minutes left? Two. Two
2
minutes. And we can...
If we mix all this slime, no.
All the slimes together?
Yeah, it's gonna be brown.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But I liked my slime.
Yeah, like mine too.
Stop dropping it!
It doesn't stick like yours.
See, because this one, like, all the glitter stayed in place.
It's really
And
pretty.
It's not breaking, and it's not wet. So, like, if I threw it on the carpet, it wouldn't stick.
I wouldn't try.
Whereas this one, I think I'm gonna have to leave it open, like, overnight. Maybe it will dry a little bit, and it will be okay. I don't know.
And this one doesn't stick.
This one's really nice.
Look, doesn't stick.
I put too much water in this, for sure.
So
Oh,
this one is gonna be just glitters. No, this one no, because I want to use them for my nails. These pearls, these glitters, these little hearts, because it's open and we don't want to like
yeah.
keep it all.
But I mean, the kit did come with 2 little extra bags. So, like, if you want to save some and not do them all together, I suppose. I don't know.
Why?
Why, oh, why? You're seeing all my crap behind me. Never mind.
A little heart just kind of cut my finger.
You're bleeding.
No. I don't bleed. I don't have blood. I don't have blood. I'm a vampire.
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 These hearts, I want to put these on my fingernails.
I have them at home.
Yeah?
Something like this, yeah. And I also have like the glitters, this.
Yeah.
Can you
Well, I'm sure in my collection.
Can you see? Can't you see? No, it's NCT. No, who's singing? Can't you see? Can't you? Or can you? Can you see? It's a boy band.
Okay.
Something like Backstreet Boys. Ooh, I like to show you the glitters. Ooh.
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 Look what you made me do. I'm not singing any more than that. So.
Ooh. Ooh.
I
Look
just-
at Antonia hands. Put it back, so I can show you your hands here. Like. It looks like she just killed a unicorn with her bare
Oh my
hands.
god. No, even my legs. I've got it everywhere.
Yeah,
I love
let me
glitter.
see. You had the before. No, you have it on
Yeah,
your
you've got
lip.
it on your face as well.
Yeah, yeah. Anyway,
Anywho, it's time to...
it's time.
Mix.
It's almost night.
Do you want to
10
do that?
minutes.
Or should I do it?
I don't know.
You do it.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Hi. Hi. Welcome to my kitchen. So, what we're gonna do? A little bit of heart inside our. Ooh. It's too hard.
I think that's how
Too
it's meant.
solid now. Okay. Let's drop a little bit of heart, a little bit of affection. Yeah. Inside this thing. Let's go put some. Where is the scissors?
Scissors?
Scissors. Squirrel or squirrel?
I'm English, so it's squirrel.
Everything? I mean, all
Yeah,
of it?
just pour it all in.
Oh my gosh. I'm having like an heart attack right now. Also this one.
Yeah, let's put those in as well. Who cares? How sparkly this is.
Show him. I don't know if you can see with the light.
The lights, yeah.
Ooh, this is porn.
Glitter porn.
And ooh,
And
jasmine. Oh my gosh, I love jasmine. Drag queens. Okay, so now we're gonna mix our slime.
fold it all in. Take the one
Yeah.
from the lid as well.
This looks like when you do not gnocchi, ravioli.
Oh yeah, more or less.
Chinese ravioli. Can't you see? Can't you see? I'm sorry. My voice is not good. My voice is not good in these days. Oh my god.
Federica is a little sick.
Because I'm sickening. And you are what? Oh my gosh, I should stop watching drag queens. Maybe.
You should stop watching.
Drag queens.
Yeah.
No one gets my references. Except for my friends that are not here. Like one friend. I just have one friend that gets my references. Anyway. Guys, you don't know how much I hate doing this. Like, all this. Because then I will listen to the video, I will hear this sound and I cannot stand it.
She's not a ASMR fan.
I mean, sometimes for some kind of things, but then like, ugh. Okay, I'm tired.
It's better to mix with your
No, all the
hands.
glitters are here. Ooh.
I thought it would be a nicer color.
Yeah, I like the one on the cover of the.
Yeah, this one is more. Can you see? It's like see-through.
Okay, guys, can you see that?
Oh my gosh! Oh, there's glitter.
Oh my gosh, I'm having an heart attack. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Going to. They're here? They're there?
This one, this side is amazing. There's not as many. Or maybe it's just the light.
Oh, Fenty Beauty. Oh no,
What?
I have to go out dinner tonight.
Oh well.
No.
Never mind. You already have your highlighter on.
Right. Oh.
Now you've got hearts on you as well.
Cavolo. Okay, guys, this is. It looks like dirt, like not ashish, but dust.
Why would it be ashes?
Ceneri.
Okay.
Not ashish. Ash, plural. The plural of ash.
Yeah, okay.
Ashish.
Ashes.
Ashes.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
why do you have a different S sound?
Because.
Because.
Is this one wet?
No,
No.
but
It's losing all the Butterfingers.
ooh. Oh, but I think this is the one that we did better.
Why did you pull it so much?
I didn't.
Do you think it's the best one?
Yeah. not like.
Okay, yeah, never mind.
I look like anime girls. Like, oh my gosh, yeah, let's do magic. Ooh,
Exactly the same.
ooh. Oh my gosh, I would love to look like this all the time with my hands. Like, do you want to try it?
Yeah, you see.
Oh. And oh. Your cover is gonna be amazing, fabulous.
It's gonna be so glittery.
What
I
do
think
you
we
think?
put too much stuff in.
Yeah, I think that too. But it looks good.
But it does look good. With the blue and the grey and the pink. No, it does look pretty. Probably we should have put a drop more water in. Maybe.
Do you want to try to? No.
Oh no, we can't add water. It's too late. No, it's cool.
It's
cool.
too late now
It's
to
cool.
say sorry.
Because it's not as, it doesn't pull as much as that one. It's stuff everywhere.
Little hearts.
I just hovered.
Oh my dear.
Oh my god, look at my hand.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
A handful of hearts.
I want more hearts now.
Anywho. Right, so
Where is it?
I think that's it for our slime video, which was supposed to be a lot longer. We are so sorry. We didn't realize that our camera wasn't recording. Never mind. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it and would like to see more stuff like this. Also check out our other videos that are similar, and check out our other reactions, and we will see. Subscribe to our channel, ring the bell so you will be notified. Comment, leave a comment, please leave a comment, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.
Oh my gosh, look at my hands. Look at my hands. Bye.